gonna get every last crumb. Yeah, you want your carrot now? Yeah, there you go. Good girl.